Welcome to the mega kitchen that feeds millions with India's daily bread.
The journey begins with tons of golden whole wheat arriving fresh from the farms.
Rigorous cleaning ensures only the purest grains make it to the milling stage. Stones and heavy impurities are removed to protect the grinding stones.
Washing the wheat removes the fine field dust that dry cleaning misses.
Resting the damp grain softens the outer bran layer for easier grinding.
Stone grinding generates heat that releases the natural aroma of the wheat. Sifting ensures the texture is perfect for a soft and pliable flatbread.
Air pressure moves the flour through pipes to keep it untouched by hands.
Precise recipes are programmed into the computer to ensure consistency.
Filtered water and a touch of oil are the only additives needed.
The spiral mixer replicates the action of hand kneading, but with massive force.
Proper kneading develops the gluten, which gives the chapati its structure.
Just like at home, the dough needs to rest to become soft.
The dough is extruded and cut into manageable chunks for the divider. The machine rounds thousands of dough balls every hour with robotic precision.
A short rest allows the dough balls to relax so they don't shrink back.
A light dusting of dry flour prevents sticking during the pressing stage.
Heated plates instantly press the ball into a perfectly round flatbread.
The raw discs are now ready to enter the massive tunnel oven. The three-stage oven mimics the traditional cooking process. The first pass cooks the bottom of the chapati to set the shape. The chapati is flipped to cook the other side evenly. The second stage adds the signature roasted brown spots. Intense heat shocks the moisture into steam, puffing the chapati into a ball. A fully puffed chapati is the sign of a perfect soft texture.
As they leave the oven, they gently deflate and remain soft.
Cooling prevents condensation from making the bread soggy in the packet.
Optical sorters remove any burnt or misshapen pieces instantly. Human eyes ensure that only the best chapatis move forward.
Mechanical fingers count and stack the chapatis gently.
The stacks are wrapped in food-grade plastic to preserve freshness.
Nitrogen replaces oxygen to keep the chapatis fresh for days without preservatives.
A hermetic seal locks in the softness and flavor. Automated scales ensure the customer gets exactly what they paid for.
Chunk of it. Safety is paramount, so every pack is scanned for metal contaminants.
Traceability codes are printed for quality assurance. Manual packing into cartons allows for a final quality check.
Boxes are sealed and labeled for shipping to retailers.
Pallets are stacked high, ready for the morning delivery trucks.
Temperature control extends the shelf life of the fresh bread.
Scientists test the tear strength to ensure it isn't chewy.
Moisture content is the key to a chapati staying soft for days.
Some chapatis are blast frozen for the export market.
Frozen chapatis can last for months in your home freezer.
Zero waste protocols ensure efficiency in the production line.
Rigorous sanitation protocols are followed at the end of every shift.
As the city sleeps, the fleet is loaded for morning delivery.
Convenience drives the demand for ready-to-eat chapatis.
For biz families, these packets are a time-saving lifesaver.
Fresh supplies arrive at the local grocery stores daily.
Just a few seconds on a hot pan brings them back to life.
They puff up just like homemade ones when reheated.
Served hot, they are indistinguishable from handmade bread.
Soft, fresh and delicious, it completes the Indian meal.
Automation allows us to feed millions with consistent quality.
Advanced technology ensures that every single chapati is perfect.
But behind the machines are skilled people dedicated to quality.
The factory never stops working to ensure no one goes hungry.
Thanks for joining us on the journey of the chapati.